Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, my voice, it's getting there, I'm trying not to speak too much or to project my voice too much. That way it doesn't get worse. But I think the lime is working and the medicine that I'm taking is working. But yeah, do you hear that silence? My family is gone. They're all gone. I wish I could just hear all that noise in the house right now, but everybody is gone. Things are back to normal, or back to what they used to be. I have been just getting things back into place and stuff like that. I actually just finished washing my hair. That's why you're seeing all this white stuff in my hair. It's just drying right now. Tyler is down for a nap and baby's off to work. I am not working this week, so I'll be home for this week. Hopefully I can get some rest in because I have guests coming for the weekend, this weekend, and the following weekend I'll be having more guests. So this coming weekend, all Babe best friends are coming to celebrate his birthday for the weekend, and then the following weekend his sister is coming to spend some time with him. So that's good to always have family coming and friends coming. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy these moments as they last, because you know, it comes a point and everybody have to go back to work and school and all that stuff. Can you imagine if all my cousin kids were mine, and I really have 5 kids in the house? Oh my god, it just goes to show that single mothers, hats off. I don't know how you guys do it, especially when you have 5 or more kids. It's a lot of work, it's a lot of attention given. It is just a lot. Having my cousins here just really make me appreciate everything even more, and they just give me an insight into what my life might be like when I have more kids, which I'm so looking forward to, and I miss them so much. But it's sad that they have to go back home. But yeah, that's that. We're back to regular vlogging. We're back to our usual way of doing the vlogs, and hopefully you guys enjoy the few vlogs that they have appeared in while they were here, though it was short. But I really enjoy having them here, and hopefully they'll be back soon. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day, have a wonderful week. Tyler is actually sleeping right now, so as soon as he wake up you guys will see him. So have a good day, stay positive, stay motivated, stay blessed, stay humble, love each other. Let nothing get in your way of greatness. Let nothing get in your way of keeping that big smile on your face. No, I did not work out this morning, but will I get my workout in? Let's watch this vlog and we shall find out. Say hello.
Hello.
Blow them kisses. Mwah. All right, baby's awake, and as he's awake he is pointing to the kitchen. He wants something. What do you want? Go for what you want. Go on. Sure, he wants snack. What do you want? What? Show me what you want. Go and take it. Go ahead. What do you want in there? Take it. Take what you want. Take the one you want. That's the one you want? Alright, come. Come on. Come. He wants chips. My boy. He loves potato chips a lot. He super loves potato chips. Come, let mama pull it for you. Okay. What do you say? You're welcome. This big boy. He's really missing his cousins. He's having back the house all by himself. I guess he's used to having the house by himself, so it's like nothing to him. But Yeah, he's back to his routine. All alone. Can you guys believe that Tyler will be 2 in 2 days? Oh my gosh. I can't believe that Tyler will be 2 in 2 days. You guys need to go and follow me on Instagram. Yes, baby. Because for the next few days, I'm posting throwback pictures from when I was pregnant and when Tyler was a baby and all that. So the link is down below in the description. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Don't miss out on all the things that you don't see in the vlog. So you guys, I am in town. I actually remember that tomorrow is holiday, so I come to do some last minute shopping for Tyler's birthday, which is Wednesday, and I have to pick up some last minute things, so I'm just doing that right now. And then I'm going to go by the party store, and then I'm going to meet up with Babe after I finish. So I'm gonna go to the party store to pick up, I think I need a balloon and something else, so I'm not even sure if I can find my way, but I'm gonna try and not get lost. So let's go. You guys, I completely lost to find these costumes, this party store, and I finally found it. And I got this number 2 for Ty and this happy birthday balloon for Ty. So now I have to travel on the bus with these. Hilarious. But what I'm gonna do is let Babe carry this one, and then I can carry that one. So yeah, there you go. And he already wants it. You want it? But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna meet up with Babe right now, and then I'm gonna head home. Hey guys, so man, I'm actually tired. Got back off the road, and because I'm lazy, everybody's gonna eat a lazy food this evening. So everybody's gonna eat lazy dinner this evening. So I'm making fries and some fish fillet, and that's all that dinner is gonna be this evening. It's just one of those days where your girl don't feel like be fancy and cook all those veggie stuff, okay? So I'm just going to do fries and fish for dinner tonight, and everybody's just gonna be happy and eat it up, okay? So yeah, Babe and Tyler is there somewhere making noise, and I'm just in the kitchen trying to get some cooking done while looking out on the beach. See how calm it is outside. Let me show you guys out there. There you go. The sun is going to set soon. You can see over there, that's the sun about to set. Somebody's behind me.
Somebody's behind you. Hi guys, back home and for tomorrow too. Hi guys. After a good day, there's nothing better than just staying home, resting a little bit, and yeah, it's the end of the day.
And tomorrow is holiday.
Tomorrow is holiday, the 15th of August. Trying to remember what is the 15th of August.
You soon get something to eat. Tyler is ready to eat, but tomorrow is holiday, so baby's home. So that's good. What? You hungry? Alright, you're gonna get something to eat. That's dinner, you guys. Tyler, look. Say bye-bye. Tala. Say bye-bye. Blow them kisses. Tomorrow. You guys, it's time for Tala to go to bed. So I'm going to give him a bath and put him down for bed. So babe and I can get some one-on-one adult time. Because that's the only time we get adult time when Tala is going to bed.
Hi guys, it's the end of the day. I'm about to go to bed now. So because championship, track and field championship finished, so we back at what we used to do. Means we back watching Game of Thrones. So we finished season 2 today. I should say that season 2 finished better than how it started. I wasn't too boring for this last 2 episodes. Maybe because I'm just starting back to watch, or I don't know. But this last 2 episodes wasn't that boring. So, oh, it's Jamaican expression time. Babe, what's the Jamaican expression for today?
Hey guys, so the Jamaican expression for today is highly requested because of today's vlog, which is titled Life with 5 Kids. I said something that I didn't know a lot of my subscribers, a lot of you guys would have noticed, and I even get Facebook messages, and now I'm checking the comments and I saw another person mention that I should give that as the Jamaican expression for today because it was hilarious to them. So with that said, the Jamaican expression for today is one of my favorite things that I always say. Can you guess what it is? One of the most favorite things I said when I'm excited about something. It starts with K. You don't know what it is? What do I always say that starts with K? Kakafat. I don't always
Bombat.
No, that's how it would be. So the Jamaican expression for today is going to be kakafat.
Okay, kakafat.
No. So kakafat is just an expression of excitement. It's just something that Jamaicans use a lot. When you're excited about something, or when you see somebody do something and you're in awe about it, you just say kakafat. So that's the Jamaican expression for today. So shout out to Sheenet for sending me the Facebook messages, and another person on under the comments. Sorry, I don't remember what your name is, but you know who you are. That requested that I do this one. So say it.
Kakafat.
Yes, that one is easy for me because I always say it. Alright. What's the French expression I word for today? You look like you have a juicy one.
No, I'm not. Because it was like 2 days ago was my birthday, and it was also the anniversary of when we met. So I just wanted to say that anniversaire. The French word for today is anniversaire. Anniversaire in French mean birthday. It doesn't mean anniversary. So that's the trick. Anniversaire don't mean anniversary. It means birthday. Say it.
Anniversaire.
Right. Anniversaire. Birthday. We don't say anniversaire. We can say it as anniversary, but then you have to add
something
like to explain it. For example, anniversaire de mariage, like
right,
anniversary of marriage,
something.
Right. If you just say anniversaire, birthday. Alright guys, so you have the French word. Make sure not to do the mistake. 2 days ago that was my 30th anniversary.
All right, you guys, so there you have the Jamaican expression and the French word for today, and we're back to the traditional way of ending the vlogs. Even though I miss my family so much, I miss them. They would be here running around right now, and I wouldn't have time to be ending the vlog. I'll be have to shouting at somebody or looking at somebody, or it would be a lot of fun, a lot of chaos, a lot of noise, and it would be just crazy. But I miss them so much, and we're back to the traditional way of ending the vlog. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Oh, Tyler is off the bed. I think you tell you guys goodbye. Give this video a thumbs up if it's your first time watching. Subscribe, and you guys, all of you guys, make sure you turn on your notification. That way you don't forget. That way you will ensure to get your notification. And if you don't turn on your notification, just go to our channel every day, because we upload Monday to Friday every day. Okay, and bonus video on Sunday. Okay, we need to do the accent challenge. Since I'm doing that, I have it right down, we just need to film it. All right, you guys, catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.